Moving is one of the top 5 stresses in life, along with losing a loved one, divorce, major illness or injury, and job loss. If you're facing a move, you may be feeling anxious or stressed, but there are many ways to take the edge off so you can move more peacefully and productively. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. The first step when you know you're going to move is to declutter. It doesn't make sense to move the things you don't want or need, so take some time to go through your belongings. Let go of what you no longer need, and both packing and unpacking will go much faster. Get measurements for your new home as soon as you can to ensure that the furniture you want to take will fit in your new space. You also want to consider how you will use the rooms in your new home, especially if there is a different configuration and you have more or fewer rooms in the new space. Also consider the amount of storage space in your new home. Is it more or less than you have now? You may need to make some decluttering decisions based on your new space. 2 to 3 months prior to your move, arrange for your utilities to be transferred or discontinued. Begin packing infrequently used items like holiday decorations and memorabilia. 1 month prior to your move, purchase moving materials like boxes, bubble wrap, tape, and packing paper. Hire professional movers for large furniture and a pack if you prefer. Reserve the elevator in your building if necessary, and request mail forwarding. And you'll want to notify your insurance companies of your new address, and change your address with your banks, magazines, subscription services, etc. And pack items that are sometimes used, like seasonal clothes. And start to use extra supplies of food in your pantry. And 1 to 2 weeks prior to your move, make sure that your new home is clean so items can be unpacked promptly. Notify your internet and cable companies of your move and get the internet set up in your new home. Transfer your prescriptions to a new pharmacy and cancel any local gym, club or co-op memberships, and use up that food in your fridge. Continue packing everything except what you need for the last few days. Plan where the items you're taking will go in your new home, and buy shelving or other large items you need for storage or organisation in your new home. If you start early and take the time to prepare, your move will go much more smoothly. Use these tips to make packing up your belongings less stressful and more effective. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel, solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website organisetoexcel.com.